Hi everyone, this is Tammy Senkewitcz with Asset Real Estate. I'm here to show you today how to submit an offer on a Fannie Mae property. You go to homepath.fanniemay.com and you can find the listings, you can find the information, home buyers tab, search homes, real estate professionals, community first, how it works, all the information is here. You can sign up on this tab, and that's a different video. Right now, I'm going to explain to you how to submit an offer as an agent. You would log in, home buyers and buyer's agent, and then log in. I'm already registered, so I come up. The top left, you can put in your MLS number or the zip code even, and it will bring up the properties within that area. I currently have an active listing in Norwich, so I know there will be one that will come up. It's here on 119 Merchants Avenue, so I click on the property. All the photos are here, the price, the square footage, offers and incentives, etc. Right here with the green button is where you would make an online offer. So once you want to submit an offer, you hit begin offer. You read and acknowledge the terms and conditions. Basically, the agent acknowledges that the online offer is with the HomePath system and everything is online. The seller reserves a right to accept or reject any offers, and they're not responsible for any errors in the listing information. The submitter, also the agent, acknowledges that electronic messages are going to be provided. Basically, this is your communication. You do not call the asset manager, you don't have that information. You can call me, I can try to help you. You can also call the tech line on HomePath. But for the most part, this system is pretty simple to go through, and hopefully this video will help. The submitter, the agent, is acknowledging responsibility for any documents that are going to get uploaded. And again, this is your communication. So if you come to terms, this will be where the executed contract, everything comes through. You hit agree and continue, and then you start putting your information in about the buyer. Is the buyer an immediate family member employed by Fannie Mae? If it's yes, then you're going to have to do some disclosure and not likely going to be able to bid on the property. If it's no, then you click here. Buyer purchasing this property as a company, LLC, or as a person. This is your buyer information. Put the buyer's first name, last name, etc. They need their contact information, phone number, etc. And if it's more than one buyer, you just add the additional buyer right here. If it's a company, you can do yes, and then again, no if it's another person. If you hit this by error, you just hit remove buyer, and you go solely with that person. I'm going to type in really quick, just somebody, so that we can see what the next step is. And then next. So you're submitting an offer for Joe Doe, or whoever your person is. Is it the primary residence or not the primary residence? So yes. Any entities listed as the buyer on contract? Are they using a nonprofit? Is it corporate, LLC, as I mentioned, etc.? You have to mark what your buyer is. So you save and exit. Oh my God. That's setting up a buyer. Now here you can go back in like this. It says offer incomplete because obviously I can't just do a fake offer on here. However, this would be your next step is, how much are you gonna, none of the above, hit next. Has a buyer previously purchased a Fannie Mae home? Yes or no? I'm just gonna hit yes. Do they still own the home? Yes or no? yes. And then you just put in the address here. They can find it, but you know, you need to disclose if you have or not. Are they financing? Has the buyer already been pre-qualified? Yes or no? What loan type? How much are they going to offer? How much for a down payment? Next. Down payment assistance, yes or no? How long is the loan term? It's very, you know, again, I don't want to submit a fake offer, so I'm just trying to get through it and show you. And then this is about title. So I cannot complete this at this time because it will end up going and giving Fannie Mae false alarm. But I am going to withdraw my offer here. Hopefully that gives you a good idea how to get your offer submitted. If it doesn't, call me, 860-908-4663. Have a great day.